Here we go, guys. I did it again. I have to get another one. Icon 800 Lumen Rechargeable Slim Bar Light. This is my third one. These are the lights that I'm using for top-down recording, guys. I'm going to show you my other one. This is my favorite light. So I got one right here. It's already on, as you can see. So let me turn this off. This is the black icon. And as you can see, it turns on the top, bottom, different setting, low, bright, off, and on the side right here. So guys, this is my favorite, like I said, my favorite top-down recording light to use. I just stick them on the side over here. Let me just stick this one here. That's the black one. Let me turn it on. There you go, bright, nice and bright. And here's my blue one. It's already on, as you can see. And on February 15th, I bought this one. President's Day sale, guys, 15% off. I always wanted to get it. Right now, I am using this one for right above, my items here. This one is the brawn, but I really like these, the icons. I was actually waiting for a deal to happen, and it did. So I am going to replace the brawn with the icon. That's how much I like these, these lights. Now, when I went to the cashier, she asked me if I want to get the extended warranty for 1 year. And I told her no, and she asked me, are you sure? And I said yes, because I have the other ones. I already have icon lights, and they turned out to be pretty good. And I heard that if something is going to happen with an item, the item usually is going to go bad within 30 days. So I just don't get them, So here it is, the red one, guys. I'm about to open it and go ahead and replace the one I just showed. 800 lumen, rechargeable slim bar light, 3 light functions, powerful cob LED light, 180-degree rotating head, wide area backlight, flashlight beam, fully collapsible for compact storage. And right here it says 180-degree rotating head for precise light placement. So if you're thinking about getting this light, guys, I really recommend it. The other one, the brawn one, I think it's regularly $29. It's not a bad light, but I for some reason I like these better. But if you want to get the brawn, that's okay too. I don't, I do not have anything against it. You got the front, the lumens, high 800, low 200, runtime 3 hours on high, low 7 hours, IPX4 rated for water resistance, USB-C rechargeable. The flashlight 150 to lumens, 7-hour runtime. You got comes with the rechargeable cable. I've had no problems with these flashlight, guys. So like I said, this is what I use for top-down recording for my videos. And if I need a light to do something, I could just grab it. It's all magnetized here on my setup, and I'll just grab it. Should I open it with you guys? Let me open it. Let's go ahead and go fast forward, guys. Go. Here we go, guys. Folds nice and compact. You got the USB port, you can plug it in. Magnetize. Let me get my my little metal plate. Sometimes I use this metal base for it if I need it for something, to go ahead and give me some light. And if you guys are wondering what this metal plate is, can you guys guess what this is? This is a pizza wheel, to cut pizza. I got it from an old pizza cutter. I just took it apart and just, took the nuts out and stuff, and I use it as a base for the lights. There you go. will not fall. I could put it right in the center. There you go, guys. Beautiful. So just an idea, if you want to get a base for it, you could get a metal piece like this, or get a metal piece from Home Depot, you know, the hardware store. Make yourself a little stand for it. So this is it, guys, on this Icon 800 Lumen rechargeable slim bar light. Very well made, magnetic, and if you need to pick up a screw or something from the floor, you know, just go ahead and pick up a screw. Nice, guys. So if you're looking to get it, you know, getting one of these guys, you know, go for it. I had no problems with them. So let me go ahead and replace this light here. My Braun. Turn it off. And I'll put this one. So let's see. It's gonna go this way. All right. And make sure it is for... Set it up. There you go. Put it right here. Okay, guys. Here they are all together. I got the different colors so that way I can, you know, distinguish which is which one needs charging. I don't want that, you know, I don't want to get them confused or anything. So much easier, you know, they have their own color. Blue, red, black. I thought about getting the green one, but I don't think I need any more flashlights. So if I ever do want to get another one, of course I'll get the green one. Guys, be safe, subscribe, like the video, and stay tuned for more videos. Later.